Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something very important, something that stops many people from speaking English. And that thing is thinking too much. Yes, thinking too much. Many people understand English. They can read English. They can watch English videos. They can even understand movies and podcasts. But when it's time to speak, they become silent. Why does this happen? Because they start thinking. They think about grammar. They think about vocabulary. They think about pronunciation. They think about mistakes. They think about what other people will say. And because of all this thinking, they don't speak. Let me tell you something very honest. Thinking does not make you fluent. Talking makes you fluent. When you were a child, did you think about grammar before speaking your first language? No. You spoke. You made mistakes. People corrected you. And slowly, you improved. English works the same way. But adults have a problem. Adults want to be perfect. They want perfect grammar, perfect sentences, perfect pronunciation. And because of this, they wait. They say, I will speak after I learn more grammar. I will speak after I improve my vocabulary. I will speak when I feel confident. But here is the truth. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to learn swimming. You watch videos about swimming. You read books about swimming. You understand swimming very well, but you never enter the water. Will you become a good swimmer? No. You must enter the water. You must move your arms. You must make mistakes. You might even feel scared. But slowly, your body learns. Speaking English is the same. You must enter the conversation. You must move your mouth. You must use words, even if they are simple, even if they are not perfect. Many learners ask me, what if I make mistakes? Let me answer clearly. You will make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes. Fluent speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake teaches you something new. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of silence. Because silence does not help you grow. Another common problem is fear. Fear of people laughing. Fear of sounding stupid. Fear of being judged. But let me ask you something. Do you laugh when someone tries to learn your language? No. You respect them. Most people respect effort. And even if someone laughs, that is their problem, not yours. Your goal is not to impress people. Your goal is to improve yourself. Now let's talk about how to stop thinking and start talking. First, speak slowly. You do not need to speak fast. Clear English is better than fast English. Second, use simple sentences. You don't need big words. Instead of saying, I would like to enhance my communicative abilities, say, I want to speak better. Simple is powerful. Third, talk every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your feelings. The more you talk, the more natural it feels. Here is a small practice you can do today. Say this with me. I am learning English. I speak slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. I improve every day. Say it out loud, not in your head, out loud. Because English lives in your mouth, not in your mind. Let me be very clear. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You don't need a native accent. You don't need big vocabulary. You need one thing: courage. The courage to open your mouth. The courage to try. The courage to be imperfect. That is how fluency begins. So remember this message. When you feel stuck, when you feel nervous, when you feel scared to speak, tell yourself, stop thinking. start talking. A little every day. And one day, English will feel easy. English will feel natural. English will feel like a friend. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to the channel and keep practicing. And now, here is my question for you. What stops you from speaking English? Write your answer in the comments. Even one sentence is enough. Because today, you stop thinking and you start talking. See you in the next video.